Furnace. Shadrach, Meshech, Abednego. Tell me, Daniel, where did they go? To the furnace fiercely flaming, steadfastly were they proclaiming, we will not bow before the idol, Nebuchadnezzar's man-made idol, for we serve the Lord of glory, the author of our chosen story. To the furnace we will go, and he can save us, this we know. But if we burn, then let it be so. And in they were thrown, bound up in ropes. They haven't got the slightest hope, said Nebuchadnezzar mournfully. But wait, what's this I see? Is there another in the fire? Even as the flames leap higher, one like unto a son of God? It cannot be. It is, I see. Now bring them out to me, to me. And out they strode, not even singed. With horror every face was tinged. I do proclaim, the king then said, your God is great. You should be dead. Henceforth we'll worship him alone, the true God, whom we've never known.